Hey guys, welcome back. This is Learn French with Queen. If you are just tuning in, I say a big welcome because on this platform we learn French, we learn to read, write and speak French on this platform. And if this is what you're looking for, you're on the right spot. So do not like my videos if you find them useful, and don't forget to share and subscribe so that you will always get notified when I drop my videos. So today we'll be looking at the French accent. In my previous video, we've been looking at the various French accents, but today we'll be dwelling on the accent called accent grave and le tréma. So let's start. In French language, l'accent grave and le tréma is one of the French accents because French is an accented language. So let's look at the various forms of l'accent grave and le tréma. So we are starting from l'accent grave. These are the various forms in which we can have accent grave. That is, you can always find them on a, or u. Those are the vowels. You can always find accent grave in French language in any of your words. So the gives the sound e. So l'accent grave with the give the sound in words like crème. Can we see the accent grave? It gives the sound crème, which means your cream, your body cream that you use. We have it in words like bière, which means beer that we drink. That is beer. So can we see the accent grave on it? So we can find it in words like rivière. Hope we can hear the air sound. So we have it in rivière, which means river. We also have it in words like crèch. And we get the S sound, crèch, which is a preschool for babies. Yes, a preschool for babies. So let's move on. We have a. So we can always have accent grave on a in French language in words like a. So this a means to. It could mean so many things. It could mean at, it means in, but the first meaning you will give to it is to. So we have delà. Delà means beyond. So can we see the accent grave on it? In words like déjà, which means already. So here we have two accents, accent aigu and accent grave. But this simply means to be ready, already. We have it in words like voilà, which means here is. Maybe you are presenting somebody can say voilà mon ami or voici mon ami, but here we are looking at voilà, which means here it is or that. So we have it in words like holà. So you know hola was gotten from a Spanish word, which actually means like hi. So you also have it in French to borrow, which means hi, hola with accent grave on it. So let's move to the next one. We have it with you. You can always have accent grave on you in French language in words like où vas-tu? Where are you going to? So the où will always have accent grave. So we have it in words like bizoù, which means kiss. So can we see the accent grave on bizoù? So now let's move on to the next accent, which is called le tréma. Le tréma is an accent with two dots. It has a sign this way, and it is usually found on E, mostly on E, but rarely on A and B. So we have some words like that, but most times we always find them on E. So let's look at some of those words in French language. We have E. Can we see our E with the tréma on it, the two dots on it? So we have it in words like maïs. So let's know this le tréma is going to sound E, but when you are pronouncing it, you realize that you are pronouncing the sound separately. This and this. You have your ma, e, then is. If you are pronouncing it, the sounds are separate. Like you can hear the sound separately. So most of that is what le tréma does, you pronounce the following vowel in a separate, it gives a separate sound. It's not mixed together. You always hear the sound separately. So it works like maize, which means maize or corn. We have it in words like paen, which means in pagan. We have it in words like kaen, which is a name of someone in the Bible or a name of anybody. Not necessarily someone in the Bible. So it's a name of a person. Kaen, which means Cain in English language. And we have it in words like egoist. Egoist. So can you see that we can hear the sound? Egoist. So we can hear the sound separately, pronounce it together. So egoist means someone that is full of himself, like a selfish person, kind of. So let's move to the next one. So I told us that we can find it on E or on U. Like it's really not often. So I found some words like in words like Noel. So when we say Joyeux Noël, Joyeux Noël, Joyeux Noël means Merry Christmas, which we have our le tréma on it. So we can see Noel, which means Christmas, with le tréma. Let's continue. We have canoe, which means canoe in English language. Your canoe, rather canoe that they use on the water. So we have it in words like Israel. So can we see the tréma on it? So I hope you are not conversant with the French accent, l'accent grave et le tréma. So let me meet with you at the comment section. Let me know how well you can familiarize yourself with the accent that we've just treated today, and I'll be glad to meet with you at the comment section. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you find it useful. Don't forget to like and share, and the most important one, do subscribe. See you.